Let's start with the job circular. SIBL, Social Islamic Bank Limited, new beginnings, endless possibilities. It's a very good job circular for Social Islamic Bank Limited who want to do job in banking sector. That will be a great opportunity if you want to be a banker. As a probationary officer, it's an honorable post and great salary and attractive remuneration. It has required qualification MBA, MBM, Masters with 4 years honors in any discipline. Candidates must have first class division in all academic examinations, and candidates having foreign degrees must submit equivalency certificate, must have basic computer operational skills. Selection procedure will be purely on merit basis. Candidates possessing requested qualifications will be called for written test. Only successful candidates securing qualifying marks will be called for interview as per merit list of the written test to be complete the selection process. Age not over 30 years of age as on January 10, 2021. Compensation package: selected probationary officers will remain as a probation period for 1 year. They will be entitled to monthly consolidated pay of Taka 40,000 only during the probation period. On successful completion of 1 year probation period, they will be confirmed as officer in the existing scale of pay with other admissible benefits. Other conditions: there are some conditions are given. If you want to see that, please read it out, and you have to apply through website, that is siblbd.com/career. You have to apply online with this link. I will give the application link in the description box below, and you have to upload your SSC certificate and last academic certificate, also your JPEG photo. That's all for now. If you are eligible and want to be a banker, then it will be a great opportunity for you. So please try to apply before 10th January 2021. Thanks for watching. See you soon.